Just look at how beautiful the butternut is coming along right now. So the rest of it is flowering, as you can see. This is how it looks like. I think it's been about 2 to 3 weeks from the time that I first planted them. Oh, here's one. And then we have the cucumber here. It is also coming up nicely, also flowering right now. Just look at this, so beautiful. The cabbage coming up really properly too. I'm gonna have to spray it very soon because the aphids are back. This is the watermelon. Just the other day my son was putting manure in here. The biggest progress and the biggest surprise are the potatoes. One thing I need to do with the potatoes though, I have to put a bit more dirt on top, because someone just told me recently that potatoes don't grow in the ground. They grow in the mound that you put for them. And the vegetables as well, the rep is coming out nicely. This is a different type of rep. This is the small ones. They're also doing well, and I also have to spray them as well because the aphids have started to make holes in the leaves. This is not good, so I need to spray them before this gets any worse. But right now they're really looking good. This is the bed that had the other rep. I had to take it out because I was watering so much here, the water exposed the rocks, and it was very difficult to get the nutrients in the soil. So I'll put manure on here, and then I'll put more soil on top. Here in the corner, as you can see, I put some mounds of soil, some manure and soil there, and I planted some red pepper. It's coming out nicely as well, looking good. And the onion, this is probably my favorite bed. The onion is so resilient and it's really looking good right now. I planted some carrots here, but they didn't grow at all, so I'm gonna have to plant something else in these beds. The other half of this, I planted some potatoes, some more potatoes here, and I'm gonna have to put some soil on top, like I said, for the other ones as well, because the potatoes do actually grow on top and not into the ground. So this is how it looks like. As you can see from these roots, these are the ones that end up becoming potatoes, and so they need a lot of soil on top and not so much at the bottom. So I will need to put a lot more soil here at some point. But yeah, so far so good. So this is day 90 of growing a vegetable garden. Something happened. I don't have any more water here because my borehole dried up because the water table went way below where the pump could reach. And so what happened is that my water pump broke. So I actually have to pay someone to put water in here. And then I use this water to water in here. So I don't water the garden every day like I used to, which is why some of these things here, as you can see, have dried up. I'm only watering the plants that are doing well, like the onion, the butternut or the squash, the rib, the cucumber, the cabbage, and the potatoes in the corner. Yeah, so that's about it. This is day 90 of growing a vegetable garden. Hopefully I can fix I can get a new pump soon so that I can have consistent water supply, and then I can plant a lot more vegetables because I have a lot more seeds that I want to plant.